What if Enoch held the key that could directly link CERN to the Watchers from Genesis?
All right, let's see it.
And before we go any further, this is all theoretical, just ideas for fun, and I'm not telling anyone what to believe, so no need to take my video down. The Book of Enoch describes fallen angels called Watchers who descended to earth, taught humanity forbidden knowledge, and then were imprisoned in the deep caverns until the final judgment. Now, fast forward thousands of years in Revelation 9.
Enoch is a Greco-Roman period Jewish composition, so fast forward maybe 400 years.
A star falls from heaven and opens the bottomless pit, releasing smoke and strange beings. People are connecting that abyss to what Enoch described and say modern science might be tampering with the same realm.
All of that is just made-up apocalyptic imagery, so no.
Why? Because the Large Hadron Collider at CERN sits right above an ancient site once called Apollyucum, named for Apollo or Apollyon, the destroyer from Revelation 9:11.
So all of this is entirely made up. None of it is true. There is no such site, there is no such structure, there is no such name associated with the land anywhere near CERN's Large Hadron Collider in Geneva. Additionally, the divine name Apollo is etymologically unrelated to the name of the destroying angel in the book of Revelation, Apollyon, which is derived from the Greek verb form apollimi, which means to destroy. Now, there was an ancient Greek folk etymology that associated Apollo with the Greek verb apollimi, but the more archaic forms of the name very clearly indicate it was originally Apollon, and so is actually etymologically unrelated to the verb for destroy. So again, none of this is true. This is all just stuff that people made up.
So, by coincidence or design,
No, by made-up idiotic conspiracy theory.
CERN operates on ground long associated with the very name written in prophecy.
No, it doesn't.
And remember, guys, this is all theoretical, and it's just to be taken with a grain of salt. It's all for fun, and it's not true anyways.
So you got one thing right there.
So don't take my video down. So outside that facility stands a huge statue of Shiva, the Hindu god of destruction and rebirth.
Not quite. The statue is of Nataraja, which is a specific manifestation of Shiva, specifically the Lord of Dance manifestation, as a way to honor the cosmic dance of particles going on in the Large Hadron Collider.
To a lot of people, it's art. In conspiracy talk, it's a symbol that CERN's real mission is to destroy in order to recreate.
Yes, because as everybody knows, the world is actually full of James Bond supervillains who hide their world-destroying nefarious purposes in plain sight in transparent Easter eggs for people on the internet to expose.
Mirroring the Watchers' rebellion.
This has absolutely nothing whatsoever to do with the narrative from First Enoch.
And when scientists go searching for the God particle, that adds fuel to the theory, obviously.
The God particle is just a nickname for the Higgs boson, which was already observed at the Large Hadron Collider over a decade ago.
In Enoch, the Watchers corrupted mankind by sharing forbidden knowledge. And at CERN right now, humans are trying to unlock that same fabric of creation itself, maybe repeating the same ancient mistake.
So if you actually read First Enoch, you'll see that the secrets that the Watchers revealed were things like how to make swords and shields and armor, how to make gold and silver jewelry, how to do makeup, how to use roots for charms, and astrology. So doesn't really have anything to do with whatever this individual imagines the people at CERN are trying to unlock.
Some go further, saying the collider's high-energy collisions open microportals or thin the veil, releasing energies or entities from below, what Enoch called the spirits of the giants. They even note patterns. The 9/9/2008 start date, 9 plus 9 equals 18. 6, 6, 6. An experiment runs timed near eclipses or blood moons. Also, coincidence, right?
Not really. It's just bafflingly asinine.
Whether ritual or random, the timing keeps people talking.
No, the people who make this stuff up are going to be making stuff up no matter what.
Others take it symbolically. Every time humanity pushes too far, it echoes Enoch's warning that knowledge without wisdom invites chaos. Either way, the parallels are way too hard to ignore.
There aren't parallels, and no, they are not at all difficult to ignore.
So if all of this is purely coincidence, it's a strange one.
It's not strange, it's just stupid.
CERN over Apollyon's ground,
Well, that's made up.
the Shiva statue,
Well, that's misrepresented.
the God particle,
Well, that's just a nickname.
and a story from Enoch about beings seated underneath the earth.
And that's just a story.
This is all theoretical again, just for fun, and not a claim or a belief.
Yes, it's all an idiotic conspiracy theory.
If you guys want a part 3, we'll dive in.
Nah, I'm good. But the fit for this video has been Superman.